Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be giving my 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee a good wash. We're going to take off some stickers that were on there when I got the car. It's just really dirty, and so we need to give it a good wash so we can really go through and see all the imperfections and see if maybe she needs a paint correction or anything like that. Let me just show you what all I'm going to use real quick and then we'll jump right in. Turtle Wax Max Power. We have a wheel and tire cleaner, also by Turtle Wax. I have a microfiber towel for drying, a scrub mitt, and a bucket. I have another bucket I might end up using, and detail brushes. The tire shine. We're going to use ceramic tire coating extreme shield dirt repelling technology, and we have one of these little tools to apply it. And for the glass cleaner, we have this Spray Way World's Best Glass Cleaner foamy action and just some like shop towels. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this looks so much better. You guys saw in the beginning of my last video how dirty and gross and nasty it was. Hadn't been washed in a very long time, and I'm pretty sure it was sitting outside. Okay, so I was thinking it probably does need a paint correction, but I don't know if I want to go through that. Doing this car over here took us 8 hours, maybe 10 hours. This one would take us way longer than that. Okay, you probably remember underneath this glass was super dirty. I went in with a detail brush and really got it nice and clean. That part is like stained, it won't come up. But looks way better. Cleaned the door jambs, the interior windows. I went ahead and topped off the fluid. I shined the tires. Found a loose coolant hose. So we like zip tied that back together. But yeah, she looks much better. She has a few little spots like this, but You guys know it's a used car, it's not brand new. I expect it to kind of have some imperfections on it. Okay guys, I'm super happy with the way she turned out. She's super clean. Her paint looks pretty good for being a 2006. Now to sell my old car so that this one can go in the garage and stay nice and clean, and I won't have to park under the trees and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like the video, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what else you guys want to see with this. I'm super excited to actually get all of this maintenance out of the way and actually be able to start like modifications and make it look how I would like it to look. So hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. See you in the next one.